Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Jay, and today's video we're going to look at St. Patrick's Day games for kids. Yeah, now St. Patrick's Day is coming up. We're in March already, and what better way to give your kids some printable games so then they can play, have fun, while the adults drink some shandies. Yeah, so before we get into it, it won't be long. This is my channel, Make Money with Jay. I share how to make money with different on different social media platforms, different like Etsy, Amazon, KDP, YouTube, etc. I make videos. I'm very transparent. I show you my earnings. I show you what I'm doing. I show you the principles I'm actually making and selling. So I even show you how to get some free ones. Yeah, some free Christmas ones. What I've made, because it's all about. My favorite is Christmas. I make Christmas principles. If you look at most of my videos, they're about Christmas, etc. So feel free to come and have a look. Road trip ones, how to make books and that. Yeah, but let's get into it, guys, because you don't want to know all this. You want to find out where to get some games. Now, here's some games that I've created over on Canva. You can do these yourself if you want to. You don't have to go out and buy them. You can make them yourself. It's so simple. Canva's free. You don't have to pay for you can pay for it, but you don't have to. What I was trying to get at. So what I've done here, I've typed it. I've gone on 12 Elements. I've typed in St. Patrick's Day, and I've gone on to filter, and I've clicked on the free ones and the static ones. Yeah, so then it brings you up all these. Whatever you use here, it's free, guys. Yeah, you're not going to get charged for it. And what I've done, I've made it because over on Etsy, candy dice games, yeah, or dice games are very popular. Kids love them. Yeah, so what I've done is put like a bit of a border on, put a title and subtitle, and then a little bit of description what you have to do. Now, you don't have to do this. I've seen loads without it. It's pretty straightforward. You roll a dice, whatever number it gives you. But that's what you do, guys. And you can change. You can do this. You can copy mine if you want. You can change it to whatever you want. You could say give 3 to someone else. You could say pick 3. You should say skip 5 turns. You could say put 1 back, then roll again. You make it as fun as you want it. Yeah. And all I've done is made little boxes, put little dots in and stuff like that, guys. Put a few things. Now, another game I made is the A to Z. Pretty simple, right? A to Z. And all you have to do is whatever. See, I put green here, so something green beginning with A, something green beginning with B. Now, another one I made, all I've done then is copied that, guys. Yes, once you've made it once, you've got the template, and I've made it again. So I've got the green. I put Irish, A to Z, so they have to do things beginning with like A for Irish, yeah. Then I've done it again. So they've got 3 different games like this, but they're all simple, yeah. And it's simple, yeah, A to Z. Now I've made a scavenger hunt. This one's a bit more harder to make because there's a lot of small stuff you've got to put in place and stuff like that. But you get the general idea. Now I'll show you another scavenger hunt in a minute, what I've made for kids, because like this is probably a bit more older kids, yeah. But like charades, probably good for more adults type. But then look, I've made I Spy. I've just plastered loads of different 4-leaf clovers all over the screen. Put a few like a little box here, so they have to count. You have to count them basically. Yeah, kids love it. I made another one, but different pictures, different clip art. Yeah, and then again. But all you have to do, guys, is you just copy it. And then you just change out the things. So once you've got this like in place, all you do is change these and change these. Yeah. So look, a third one, exact same, but I've put different men there. Yeah, different little leprechauns and stuff. Then I made this Connect 4. Pretty simple. Yeah. Hangman. So these are good games for kids. Tic Tac Toe. I've made 3 different mazes. Yeah. Showed the solutions as well. Colour the flag. Another good way, kids love it. All they're doing is copying, but they love colouring in, don't they? I've made this, so you can make whatever you want, guys. Yeah, and they're good games for them. So what comes next? This is a good game because it's learning, but it's fun. Yeah, so they're looking at all the different St. Patrick's Day icons and that, and then they just got to colour it, draw it, and colour it. Yeah, they don't have to colour it, but yeah. And then circle the odd one out. So they look at them and think, oh, that one's odd. We'll circle that one. Yeah. And they're learning but having fun, and that's what's good about these St. Patrick's Day games for kids. And this one match the pictures, so they look at that and think, well, no, it's not that, yeah. And then just draw a line to it. Again, I've done it again, but a bit more colourful with 4-leaf clovers. Then this is the scavenger hunt I was talking about. I've made it simple, yeah. bigger pictures, yeah, bigger images for like the smaller kids with a big box there, yeah. So when they find a green leaf, yeah, green scavenger hunts, find all things green. So they look for a green leaf ticket. Excuse me, look for an apple or fruit, whatever, fruit, vegetable, yeah. A sweet, one of the teddies, a bit of the clothing, the toys, football, and pen, crayons, yeah. It's all simple, guys. Another one, count the pictures. So this one, they're learning again. So they've got to count the pictures, but then circle whichever they think it is, yeah. Then all they've done then is copied it again, but then changed it a little bit. So then, as you can see, the numbers, what they've got to circle are on the right-hand side, but on here, they're underneath it. So it's similar kind of thing, but it's different. It's similar. They're still going to learn. They're still going to count, yeah, and circle. But I've done it in a different way, so it's not all repeated. So they'll think it's different. We know it's the same, yeah. They're still counting and still learning, yeah. But if you can't be bothered making it, guys, that's totally understandable. I've come over to Etsy. I've typed in St. Patrick's Day printables, yeah. And then look at this one, 15 game bundle, yeah, £9.40. It's got 5-star rating, yeah. You've got your St. Patrick's Day bingo, but obviously it might not be for younger kids. But then let me just type in games for kids, yeah. Not sure if it's gonna. 840 people a month are searching for these games, yeah. So this is probably better. Like you've got your word searches and that. Again, this one's come up again. £9.40 though, guys. I'm going to show you my bundle in a minute, yeah. All things green, so they've done similar, yeah. £2.70. So you come over to Etsy and have a search, guys. You'll find loads, yeah. St. Patrick's Day bundle. 10 games in this bundle, yeah, for £6.62. Now, if you come over to my channel, guys, Christmas Everyday Club, yeah, it's called the Christmas Everyday. I started it at Christmas. I love Christmas, yeah. Most of my, if you look at all here, most of them are Christmas, yeah. But look at the prices. My prices are very low, yeah. I've got Christmas bundles, things on sale, trivia, Christmas, yeah. But if you scroll down, look, I've got Valentine's Day and date night. I've got Easter and I've got St. Patrick's Day. These are the ones we're looking for. Kids learning, yeah. So the things I've just shown you over on Canva, I have created them and I've put them in a bundle here. Yeah, so there's 12 activities for £1.20. Now I've listed them as at £1. I sell my bundles and that for £1 unless it's like over 20 games. If it's over 20 games and activities, I put it up to £1.50. As you can see here, 22 activities. Yeah, so I put it at £1.50, and then obviously Etsy put their little fee on it. But look, 12 activities for kids learning. So all them learning things I've just shown you on over on Canva, yeah, I put them in a little bundle for £1. Yeah, the mazes I've done on their own for £1. The I Spy I put on their own for £1. The charades on their own, the candy dice on its own, and the scavenger hunt on its own. Yeah. Oh, and these A to Zs, the 3 A to Zs bundle on their own. Yeah. But as you can see, they're all £1 with obviously Etsy's fee on top of it. Yeah. But if you all these 7, yeah. So these 7 bundles here, or individual ones, I have bundled together and put it in this one here, kids bundle. So there's 22 altogether, and I've put it. So there's no point you buying any of these if you're going to buy this one. Buy this one and you get them all. So all these that I showed you on Canva, you get them all in this bundle here. Yeah. But if you don't want the big bundle and you don't want all the games, then I've separated them into individual packs. So if you want to buy them individual, feel free to, guys. I'm not saying you have to buy my stuff. I'm just showing you that the value for money. I don't want you to get ripped off. I don't want you to buy that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. Yes, it will make me more money, but you can save money by buying just that one bundle. Yeah, you'll get everything what's in that, and that, you'll get inside that. So don't waste your money on buying all these and that, because you'll get the same stuff. Yeah. Now, these are for adults, these ones, so I'm not showing them ones. If you want to check them out, feel free. But if they like the candy dice game, but you're playing with beer and alcohol, yeah, drunk dice game. But yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and hope you've got some value out of it. Like I said, if you want to buy games, feel free to come to my channel. I've got them at low prices because I don't want to rip you off. I make them. I'm happy to make them, and I'll put them on my channel. But yeah, if you want to buy it, that bundle's probably the best for value. You don't want to, unless you want these individually, but save your money, guys. And yeah, if you come back to my channel, check out these here, guys. Christmas printables for free. Yeah, one of these videos, I show you how to get some Christmas printables for free. Yeah. Oh, another thing. So you can get loads of printables for free by watching that video. Yeah. I'm just open this up. If also with any of my bundles or any of my listings, I give you some free gifts. So you get 13 free gifts free with it anyway. So not only are you getting the 22 printables for the St. Patrick's Day, you're also going to get these Christmas ones as well. And like, they're not just all Christmas, but like your calendar and your word search, your wish list, your Santa's list, checklist, tags, etc., colouring pages. You get lots of stuff, guys. Yeah. So feel free to check it out, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. It's only a small channel. And yeah, until next time, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.